Hello everyone, join me while I go ahead and get my first Christmas card order set and ready to go. So I do have a set of 60 cards from my regular customer. Um, Wording and everything and design is her request based on what was provided. So basically this is what I do. So right now I am setting them up in the sets of 10. Okay, so that's 60. So typically what I do, I go ahead and I count out the envelopes as well. I usually put the standard, plain white. So once I have done that, I just pretty much bundle everything together. So just bear with me while I do so. Okay, so once I get everything stacked up and nice and neat in each pile, what I typically do is I add in my thank you note. Also, I'm going to be adding just a couple of stickers to that, just as a little gift or token of appreciation. So I'm going to be including these stickers in here. These are like, it's she is a Christian, so I wanted to incorporate a little something. So it says, God is with her, she will not fall. It says, give thanks to him and praise his name. And then just a couple of quotes here. It's a good world because you're in it, and the world is better because your kindness is in it. What I typically do is apart from the receipt and the thank you note, I would usually get like a nice, those Christmas boxes that are at Michael's, or a nice bag. And I would just put it in there because I'll be delivering it to her personally. So thank you so much for joining me, just so that you can see, um, you know, what I do when it comes to large orders. And of course, all those are done by hand, um, from scratch. So thank you for watching. Appreciate you guys. Bye-bye.